Hey there, want to come to you today to make an update video. I purchased a Sur-ron X in December of 2021, so this year, and I watched a lot of videos previously on this bike to kind of find out all about it and future parts that I may want to upgrade to make it just a little bit better. So one of the highly recommended upgrades is the Shimano brake pads. You've got the H03A is the one that I went with, the resin pads. They have the H03C metallic pads. The A are recommended for more drier conditions and less mud, and the metallic pads with the C on the end are more for more water, moisture, and mud, and so that's the differences between the two pads. These are the resin pads from Shimano. But yeah, so they fit. They line up with the little hole. These this edition or this year model, or I don't know, mid-year or late year of 2021, got the Fastace forks, and people are saying they're a little bit of an upgrade. I haven't ridden the other ones, so I don't know. But they got a little bit different brake. You know, if it's an upgrade, some people are saying that the braking power is greatly increased, and the performance of the brakes are better. So they have these green. Metallic, or not metallic, anodized green caps on here on the calipers, or and so the concern was if these fit or not with the new brakes. But yes, they do. They line up with the hole. They're a little bit difficult to put in because I'm used to working on larger brakes on motocross bikes or street bikes or cars, so they're much easier to slip in and put in. But just be patient with it. You've got to basically put the pads together. You got to put the spring in the center like it's going to be mounted on it, and then you put the two pads together that are holding the center spreader, and then you got to try to insert that around your rotor, and then line that up with a hole, and then put the little clippy that comes with the factory brake setup. The Shimano came with a cotter pin, and it's just be very, very, very difficult to spread that into that cotter pin with the gap between the wheels and the spokes. So I just used the factory little E-clip and put that on there, but it works. Brake pressure works, and it seems to be functional. I'm going to go ride it now. It was raining earlier this morning, but now it's nice outside. So everything seems to be, I'm 99.99% sure everything works as it should. But I wanted to bring this video because I saw some people that had test rode the newer version of the Sur-ron X Black, and they weren't real sure if the Shimano pads, the H03A or the H03C pads would work. So I ordered my pads maybe a few weeks ago before I even got the bike, and I was thinking, man, and these were like $58 with shipping, $42 or $43 without shipping, and like $8 or $9 for shipping. And I was a little worried because I didn't want to be stuck with $54, $55 pads and not able to do anything with them. Okay, well, other than that, that's the video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps somebody if they're getting a newer Sur-ron and they want to know if these just confirmation that these pads fit, and they do. Bye-bye.